Right, so we've got the new sensor here. Looks all very nice. I want to give it a quick test before I put it in and make sure that that is actually what was wrong. So I'll set that up and we'll see how we go. Okay, so what I've got this set up now. Yeah, this flap here is closed, right, so that's stopping the warm air coming into the system, and it will just pick up the cold air through here. This is the engine when it's not being started, it's just sitting. So I'm going to put some pressure on this by sucking it, and we'll see if this flap moves and opens. And that flap now is closed. So that system here is working okay. So that was the problem. It was the sensor in the air filter casing. Okay, let's put it all back together now so we can get it working on the motor. Right, another little problem I found here, where this connection goes onto this bit here. I've been using this piping to try it out, but this is the original one that came on the air filter, you can see there. But when I put it into that end, it's very loose and it's not really airtight. So something's either stretched or this is the wrong thing. So I'm going to have to somehow make this a bit slightly fatter. I think I might know how to do that. Okay, I've got some heat shrink tubing here. It's the one you put on for electrical work mainly. So I'm going to put that over there and see if that makes it more airtight. If not, I can put another bit over the top of that. I won't heat shrink it down initially, but I'll see how it goes first. Well, I've used 3 tubes, one over the other, heat shrink them on, and that seems to work pretty well. So I'll now I'll just attach that to there. Good, that's that done. Now I need to put the air filter in, which I've got here. So I'll put a new air filter in and put the top on, and then put the collar on for the carburetor and see if it all works. If we can start the van after it's been laying for 3 weeks without a charger on it, might have to charge the battery up. We'll see how it goes. The bolts were a little bit long, so I've had to cut them down, and what I've done is I've run the die over the end as well, just to make sure that the threads start okay. I'll put on a steel washer and a rubber washer. They go in there. Do the other one and it's all ready to go on. Okay, let's give it a go. All attached and ready to start the engine. Flaps open, connected onto the inlet manifold. Let's give it a try.
Are you at the road?
Yeah. Petrol needs pumping through. Yay, there we go. A little bit of backfire in there, not too bad. I like the rattle on that. Okay, can you turn it off? Yeah?
I didn't even have the choke on.
Oh, I've got to put the metal thing on.
Don't know what that is.
The metal
The hot air pipe.
hot air pipe, yeah.
Yeah.
I've forgotten it. So it won't work without that on.
It is working though.
Well, it's the engine's running,
Yeah.
but I don't know whether that's working. So I'll just go and do that now. Well, guys, it worked great. The flap came up when it should do, and it went down when it should do.
Well done.
So, another job jobbed.
All finished.
Hope you enjoyed the video.
If you did, give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.